Hey, this is the Kenmore model 1941. It's the ever-popular convertible free arm flatbed machine. It's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 built-in stitches, and including regular and stretch. It sits flat on the table. It cannot be mounted into a cabinet. It can be put in a carrying case, but you can't mount it to your carrying case. Uses class 15 bobbins. Bobbin excess is right there. 15 by 1 needles. It is a super high shank machine. Comes with a zipper foot, some bobbins, double needle, regular needles, and the very cool thing is it comes with the complete buttonholer. Very hard accessory to find for this machine. It has the front adapter plate, the complete adapter plate that lays across right here, with the templates and the actual plastic buttonholer piece. Cosmetically, it's not perfect, but it's good. It does have some paint dings along the front edge and over here on this corner, but overall it's not bad. It is all metal. It's a 1 amp machine. And it does not use cams. All the stitches are built in. It has a nice wide zigzag. Serviced and ready to go. Flip a little lever and you do a stretch or reverse, whatever you want to call the pattern. PDF copy of the instruction manual will be sent to you after purchase by email. It does, let me see, 6 different stretch and 6 different regular designs. The pine leaf and the stretch. Every pattern is double needle capable, even the stretch pattern. Go back to regular here. Got 6 layers of denim. Lots and lots of room under the presser foot, as with any Kenmore, which means less struggle with your project under. Using a size 16 needle. Perfect stitch. 14 layers of cotton. And last but not least, 3 layers of garment leather. This is a little thicker leather. Normally you're not going to need to do 3 layers, just 2. And that is the Kenmore Convertible Flatbed Free Arm Model 1941.